How to add alt text to images in Squarespace. So in order to do that, first head over to your Squarespace editor and then locate in here the image that you want to add alt text with. For example, I have in here this image. So head over and click on that and click onto this pencil icon or edit icon. Now in here you can scroll down and here you can see this image alt text. So it typically have in here this. So an alt text is something that can help describe your image to improve accessibility and SEO. So as you'll see, we have rocks, boulders, and desert landscape. So what you will do if you only have a particular image and you don't have it right here. For example, let's head over and add a new image. Let's drag it right here. And then proceed to upload your new image. You can browse from libraries, image, or upload a file. So let me head over and select from library right there. And let's add in here this. Click on add. And once you have newly added in here an image, they will appear. And you can do the same thing by clicking on the pencil icon and editing in here the alt text. You can also change the alternative file name right here. So let's do this in order to improve the SEO. Let's input pink neon light balloon dog. So that is what we will actually describe it with. So just click on any blank part and then that will be saved. Because that's how you add alt text images in Squarespace. Hope we helped.